Okay, so the 2 minutes has expired, so we're going to go ahead and I'm going to reset that. Anything at this point will bring the vise forward or the machine up, so we're gonna tell it to back the vise off. We're gonna bring the vise in, we're gonna open it, and we're gonna close it. And now it should be ready for a full cycle start. So it is an automatic mode. You can see the clamp going back. Doing its thing. You can see the LEDs lit. I just kicked out the relay for the conveyor. So it's going to tell itself in a second here to hit the hydraulics and go in. You see that's your main spindle motor there. Alright. You see your chip conveyors turned back on now. Okay, in just a second your chip conveyor is going to kick back out again. Right about now. I'm not sure which relay that actually is turning that chip conveyor off, but I'm going to put her back on the manual. Yeah, it seems that your hydraulics and your chip conveyor are on the same relay. So it appears your hydraulics and your chip conveyor both work off the same relay. So we're going to test that theory in a second here. So I'm going to hit your hydraulics up. Yep, as soon as your hydraulics are on, your chip conveyor is also on. I'm going to conclude this video.